In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to hide your phone number on Facebook. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, welcome back to this video. Let's see how to hide your phone number on Facebook. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook account. Then having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to simply go to your profile. So simply click on here to head over to your profile. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots. Then take you here. Next thing you need to do is to click on edit. Then simply scroll down and look for edit your about info. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to contact info. Click on edit. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this point right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on more options. Then click on only me. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below here and click on save. Boom. With that, nobody will be able to see your phone number on Facebook. So this is how to hide your phone number on Facebook, a estimate guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.